Hi guys, today I want to show you how to customize your TikTok thumbnail for your videos on your channel, on your page. And this is how you go about it. Obviously, we'll start by uploading a video. So I'll go ahead and upload my video. So I've uploaded the video I want to play to post. So I'll go on the top right. As you can see the image there is select cover. I'll go ahead and customize this to what I want. So it has screenshots of various parts of the video. I'll select the one that works best for me, like that. And then I will go ahead and add some text on top of that. At the bottom, you can see select your cover and add text. You can choose any of these styles at the bottom for your text. So let's say you go with the traditional TikTok one. I'll go ahead and insert my text. Okay, so I've done my text. I'll put it at the top there. And then you can easily swipe through the different templates they have to see which one works best with your text. As you can see. Then pick the one that you like best. So I think I like this one. It pops a bit more. Yeah, I'll stick to this one. So I'll go ahead and click save at the very top. And that will be my cover for my video. So let me insert my caption real quick so that you can see how that looks on the home page. So I've put in my caption. Everything is good to go. I will go ahead and post this. And as you can see on my page, my custom thumbnail is set up. Should have put the text box a bit lower, but you get the gist. That's how you go about it. Thank you so much for watching. Double tap if you liked that video. If you learned something new, let me know in the comment section. And as always, tap that plus button and follow me. Subscribe to the channel.